Hi. So let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're standing at the edge of something big, but you're very scared to jump? Maybe you've been dreaming about freelancing, living your 9 to 5, working on your terms, doing something that actually feels meaningful. But then that voice creeps in, like,
Am I too late?
The market's already saturated.
Why would anyone choose me when there are thousands of others already doing it?
if this sounds like you, I need you to listen carefully. You are not too late, not even close. In fact, 2025 might be the best time to become a freelancer. And by the end of this video, you will not only understand why, but it might be just a push. You need to start living the life you've been dreaming about. So now let's get into it. So let's be honest. Part of why you feel like it's too late is because everywhere you look, someone's already doing it. Like your Instagram feed is full of digital nomads that's working from Bali. Your LinkedIn is flooded with people celebrating their freelancing milestones. And platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, they seem packed with people offering exactly what you're thinking of doing. It's overwhelming, it's intimidating, and it's easy to think, well, if they are already doing it, what's the point of me even trying? But here's the first thing that you need to understand. Every successful freelancer you see once feel exactly how you feel right now. They weren't born confident, they weren't handed a client list, they started from zero, just like you and me. So now let's talk about why 2025 is actually a best time to become a freelancer. So the first thing is, did you know that by 2025, over 50% of the workforce will be freelancing in some capacity. Companies are shifting to flexible, remote talent models because it's cost effective and gives them the access to the global expertise. I know, yes, the market is very competitive, but here's the thing, no one else has your unique combinations of skills, experiences, and personality. Clients are not hiring just for services, they are hiring for you. You know, in 2025, you have access to tools that make freelancing easier than ever. Platforms like Canva, Notion, AI tools, and automation softwares help you stay organized, professional, and efficient. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. And most importantly, freelancing isn't just about skills or competition. It's about connection. Clients want authenticity, reliability, and someone they can trust. If you can be that person, there's a place for you in this space. But let's address the elephant in the room. The lies you have been telling yourself about why you can't start.
I'm not experienced enough.
Guess what? Most clients are not looking for the most experienced person. They are looking for someone who can solve their problems. So start small, start with what you know. Experience will come with time.
The market is so saturated.
Yes, freelancing is popular, but saturation isn't your enemy. It means there's demand. Instead of competing on price, compete on value. Show clients why you are the solution that they are looking for.
But I don't have the time.
Look, I get it. Life busy, but you don't need to quit your job overnight. Start freelancing on the side. Dedicate a few hours a week to building your portfolio or pitching clients. Small steps lead to big changes. And let me share my own story. When I first thought about freelancing, I was paralyzed by fear. I kept thinking, what if no one hired me? What if I failed? But one day, I realized something. The worst thing that could happen was never failure. It was staying exactly where I was, stuck in a job that didn't fulfill me, stuck wondering what if. So I started. And if you want to hear more about my freelancing journey, you can check out my video here. You know, every step built confidence, every mistake taught me something. And now I can honestly say freelancing changed my life. Not because it was easy, but because it's give me freedom. So if I can do this, why not you? So how do you actually get started? So here is my roadmap suggestions. Think about, what do you love doing? What are you good at? What problems can you solve for clients? Your niche doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be a starting point. And don't overthink this. If you don't have client yet, create mock project. Show off your skills and give potential clients a taste of what you can do. You can join platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal. Reach out to your network. Offer your business to friends or small business. Every job is a step forward. Freelancing is a journey, not a destination. So invest in courses, listen to podcasts, or watch my video about freelancing, and stay open to feedback. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep learning. Building a freelance career takes time. You might not land your dream client right away, but every no brings you closer to a yes. So if you're still wondering, am I too late? Let me say this. The only time it's too late is when you stop trying. 2025 isn't the end of the freelancing boom. It's just the beginning. The markets will keep growing, clients will keep searching, and opportunities will keep appearing. The question is, will you be ready to take them? You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Because at the end of the day, the only thing standing between you and your dream freelancing career is you. So here's your sign. This is the year you stop doubting yourself. Stop making excuses and start taking action. So tell me in the comments, what is the first step you're going to take toward freelancing and what's been holding you back? So if this video resonates with you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a push to start their journey. 2025 is here and your dream career is waiting. The only question is, are you ready? So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one. Bye!